How many such pairs of letters are there in the word guardian, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet, right? Now, standard question from alphabet, and there's a standard method. Let's just apply that and get the answer. We have discussed this method in our video of alphabet. So the question here is guardian. The word here is guardian. You have to find out how many pairs of letters are there in the word guardian, which have got as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet, right? So to help you understand what it actually means, let us look at one of the pairs, like for example, I'm just taking a random example here so that I can explain you the meaning of the question, and then we'll find out how to get the number of pairs. See, look at these two pairs. Look at these two letters, A and N. A and N. Look at A and N. How many letters do you find between A and N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the letters between A and N? U, A, R, D, I. There are 5 letters, right? There are 5 letters between A and N. Look at the actual English alphabet. What is the actual English alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and so on up to X, Y, Z. In this alphabet as well, how many letters do you find between A and G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. So this is what we have to find out. That how many such pairs are there in the word guardian, which have got as many letters between them as they have in the English alphabet. Like for example, in the English alphabet, how many letters do we have between A and B? 0 letters. Here if we have A and B both the letters in the word, we have to just check if there are 0 letters or more than 0 letters. If it is 0 in the word as well, then that can be taken as a correct pair. Like for example, between A and D, in the English alphabet, we have got 2 letters, B and C. But here between A and D, we have got only 1 letter R. So A and D does not make a pair. Okay, that's what you have to check. And we have to check in both the directions. Now here you can say that A and G are in the reverse order. That doesn't matter. You have to check in both the directions, forward and backward, both the directions there. So let us find out. Now how do we do it? I've just explained you what needs to be done. But how do you do it in a smart way is the question. Okay, so let me explain that to you. See, the one thing that you'll have to learn by heart for answering questions like these in your exam is the numerical positions of these letters as per the English alphabet. Like A is the first letter, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, D is the fourth letter, right? R is the 18th letter, T is the 20th letter, J is the 15th letter, and so on. So you have to learn all the 26 positions by heart. Okay. Now mark their positions first. What do we do? G is 7th letter, 21st letter, 1st letter, 18th letter, 4th letter, 9th letter, 1st letter, and 14th letter. These are the positions. Now simple process is to count numbers starting from 7 till the end. If you find anything matching with this numbers that have been printed here already, that can be taken as a pair. Like for example, start with G, 7. 7, 8, does it match? No, we have 21 here. 9, does it match? No, we have 1 here. 10, no. 11, 12, 13, 14. Are you able to follow? If you start from 7 and just read out the numbers, 7 to, 7 onwards. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 matching, right? We are getting 14 here and 14 is already there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which means 7 and 14 makes a pair. G and N makes a pair. G, N is one pair. You getting it? Similarly, do it for all the remaining letters in forward direction as well as the backward direction. That's the best way to solve this. Without any confusion, without any complexity, you will get the correct answer. So let's check the other ones. Now you can do it in a smart way. Like for example, when I look at U is the 21st letter. Just one glance at the remaining positions tells me that it is not going to make any pair with any other letter. Why? Because all the numbers here are less than 21. See, if I start reading from 21, I'll take 22, 23, 24. But every number that I see here is less than 20. Is less than 21. So definitely U is not going to make pair with anything else here. Okay. Then check with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not possible. 18. I can simply skip because there is no number more than 18 on the right hand side. 4, not possible because 4, you see the numbers are like 9 and 14, which are far away from 4 originally, but here they are too close. 9 is left out, 1 is left out, 14 is left out, right? Nothing makes it. So forward direction is over. Now do it in the reverse direction. Do it in the reverse direction. So start from 14 and read 15, 16, 17 and so on. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do you see this? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 14 and 18 makes a pair, which is N and R. Again, don't stop here, continue further, right? Because more pairs may be formed. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, just short by 1. So anyway, doesn't make a pair. 21. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Doesn't make pair with anything else. Then go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 1 and 7. 1 is A. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So AG makes the third pair. We have taken the example of EG. Remember, A and G have got 5 letters here and 5 letters in the English alphabet. Then check with the remaining letters. 9. I mean, if you have solved like a set of 5-6 questions based on this, you would do it really quick. I mean, when I take 9, I know nothing is going to form a pair with 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, no, not possible. 18, no. 1, 21, no. Everything is ruled out. So total 3 pairs. G, N, N, R and AG. 3 pairs is your answer.